Hi guys, welcome to my lunch meal prep video for this week. For this week, I'm going to be using my favorite Palmini. So this is the angel hair version, but I absolutely love this stuff. If you've been around my channel, you know I use this at least about maybe once a month because I'm obsessed with this Palmini stuff, but it's hearts of palm and it's shaped into noodles. So this whole bag, so there's 3 servings in here and it's 20 calories per serving and 4 grams of carbs. So super low in calories, super low in carbs, and really awesome pasta substitute. So I'm going to be making with my Palmini, I'm going to be doing a keto version of Swedish meatballs. And if you saw my video from last week, I made some Hawaiian meatballs and I have a bunch of frozen meatballs left over. So I wanted to use them again because they were so delicious last week in the Hawaiian meatball recipe. So I'm gonna use them up. I'm gonna make Swedish meatballs this time. I have an awesome, delicious sauce that I'll show you how I make, but I'll make everything up. I will portion it into my meal prep container so that my lunch is ready for each day this week. Hope this gives you a little bit of meal prep motivation to just prep some healthy food, to have it ready for the week so that you're not reaching for fast food or unhealthy food. So I'm gonna get this all made up and I will show you how I make it.